my intake, my intake is like bigger than.
Oh yeah, I don't know shit, but that's important. That's really pushing power.
Right there, right there. My uncle has it his, but pointing down like right here.
I know that's how mine are. Mine go all the way down to both of them.
Yeah, my uncle he put his car tracker on.
Yeah.
But sometimes they look good. For sale, for sale.
Damn it, mommy, I got the remedy. Tommy's up at the enemy. Homies and body, but now my body is feeling finicky. Killer and Cabo, we chillin' the rock for remedy.
Real new wagon. Oh, this one's nice. I've seen it.
That's the one that we saw it.
Yeah, I've seen it. I don't remember this one.
That's the one that we saw over there.
It's really clean though. Oh, it's a whole crew or what? Yeah. I like the siren. Old school.
I think the parts for the parts of it, the parts to buy it, you can buy it right there at the AutoZone. I saw them when I was shit.
Where?
AutoZone. I saw them.
For real?
I saw the parts. I saw the filter.
Yeah, this one's nice too.
Buy it again.
Oh, that's smack thing.
You think it will come out in the picture? No, it won't come out.
Maybe.
No, it's green.
Because the color's so dark.
It doesn't come here already. I hear that.
Those are firefighters. Yeah, they're firefighters.
Yeah.
They look, you sound like cops though.
What? Tanto creo que... Truck 2 or I don't know if it's in the back.
Where?
I think something in the back.
Trucks? Top 3 trucks?
Oh, look for that.
Hey, was that one?
Yeah.
It was?
Yeah, that
No
one.
way he went around that fast. Let's go catch him over
You
here.
can feel it. You can feel it.
I want to get it. Nice clip of that. Oh, he's leaving.
It's all bien. It's a song.
What's the point of mine? That shit was so badass. Yeah.
Go towards Norwalk. Don't go the other way. Go towards the flashing. Got it flashing.
The cows finally got here, guys. We're getting kicked out of the spot. It was a good meet though, but damn, it's a lot of cops. You guys can see the cops right there. They're ready to shut this shit down.